local group policy. Okay, so this is a local group policy. So what is local group policies? It's like a group policy only. Again, just remember in Windows home editions, okay, don't have local group policies. Home editions, whether it is Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10, home editions don't have local group policies. Okay. Local group policies are used to control or enforce settings on users and computer in single computer only. Okay, control or enforce settings on users and computers. So different type of settings are there, like desktop related settings, network related settings, application related settings. Okay, network related settings, desktop means your desktop related settings, network related settings, application related settings, and other operating system login, logout. Okay, passwords, login. Okay, firewalls. Network comes with everything, so network comes with everything. Okay, like this, lot of different type of settings are there. So local group policies applied on that PC or a system. What are the word use? On that system only, not on everything. So because of next time when we do server group policies are there, server group policies that is applied on a multiple systems. This is only on a that particular system only where you created a group policies. Next, to open this group policy editor, so gpedit.msc, it is a Microsoft console. It is a gpedit. It's nothing but a group policy editor. Policy editor. So this is simple. Next, of course, what is it? gpedit.msc. It is showing Windows cannot find gpedit.msc. Make sure that you type name correctly and then try again. So I type correctly. The problem is my system is Windows 10 Home Edition. Home Edition don't have local group policies. Okay. So next point. So group policy editor, once you open editor, so there is a user configuration and computer configuration. User configuration and computer configuration. User configuration related to the particular user. Computer configuration is related to the computer which is applied on every user. Okay, so computer configuration on computer meaning is all users. Okay, so here the point, important point is if you do settings in user configuration, so the setting applied on sign out and sign in. You have to sign out and sign in, then only it will apply. Next, settings will apply if you are do settings. Computer configuration, you change anything in the computer configuration, applied on after restart, or you can say next boot. Next boot means shut down and start computer or restart a computer, then only settings will affect. These are the information, so we'll see how to open and work with the local group policies. So you have to log in with the first user only. Okay. Go to run gpedit.msc. Guys, some people will get confused whether you open a run in your virtual machine or a physical machine. So there is a little difference is there. You can see from the positioning also. Okay. So for example, I open a run. This run is on my taskbar. So you can see it is belongs to my taskbar, means my physical machine. This is on the virtual machine's taskbar. So obviously, so it is virtual machines related. So that is one thing. Okay. Another one is I will try to show you like. First of all, click on your virtual machine. Click on the virtual machine. Then go to Windows or gpedit.msc. This opens in your virtual machine. Click on the virtual machine, then you do it. So that meaning is what are the command you are giving from your keyboard. So it will understand you are giving from, you are giving to virtual machine only. Okay, so that's the difference. So compulsory. If you want to do in your physical machine, then click on the outside, like click on this my physical machine taskbar, then I can open it. So that is things you can easily. Otherwise, still if you are having some confusion, sir, I am confusing or something is goes wrong, kind of stuff. Simply go to this search. You can find this search. In the search, type it. Okay, type correctly and just wait. So you can see gpedit.msc it is showing. So you can open it directly. Also, you can run as administrator is there, or directly you can open from here also. Okay. So this is a local group policy editor, computer configuration and user configuration. If you do any settings under this computer configuration, you need a restart. If you do any settings under user configuration, you need a just sign out and sign in. Just for yourself, like for you, I'm going to do one settings under user configuration, Windows settings. You can see like it's a scripts, security settings, public key policies, deployed printers. The computer configuration having a little difference. Okay. And also software settings. Nothing is there. Also nothing is there. But in this one, security policies are there. In under computer configuration, security settings, account policies means it's a password related policies. You know, password is complex password you have to give, right? So you can see this is a password. You don't want to give a complex password. User must meet complex requirement, complexity requirement. Disabled means not required complex password. Minimum password age, maximum password age, password length, 0 character means without a password also you can log in. If you put a minimum password is 8 characters, compulsory give 8 characters. So maximum highest is like you can 0 to 14, relax minimum. Okay, so another two configurations. So you have to read it what it is. Okay, so generally it is 7 in a domain controller, normally 0. Okay, if it is 0 means no, not required password also, minimum requirement. Your password will be expired in a 42 days. Okay, so local policies, user account management policies, Windows Defender related policies, okay, network list policies, software restriction policies, app locker, application control policies, app locker, IPsec. So these are the policies available. Okay, under computer configuration, just you have to go navigate once. That's it. No need to do anything. Under user configuration, administrative tools, I'm going to desktop. User configuration, administrative tools, desktop. Under that one, I'm click on this desktop. So I said desktop wallpaper is there. Disable active desktop. Okay, so disabling all items. Okay, no. Better I will go from here. So very simple for understanding. I am removing this recycler bin icon. I'm removing this recycler bin icon. So remove recycler bin icon from the desktop. So I go to this, double click on this, remove recycler bin icon. Okay, it's open. Enable the policies. If you don't want it, okay, for example, you enabled it already. So now it is policies enabled. You sign out and sign in because it's under user configuration. You sign out and sign in. Policy will be applied. Policy will be applied. So obviously we can't change it back. To change it back, disable it, apply, not configure, apply, then OK. Okay, like this. Okay, so again, I'm telling, so this is the recycler bin. I don't want it. So I'm going to gpedit.msc. Under user configuration, administrative templates. Under user configuration, administrative templates, desktop, remove recycler bin from desktop. Like that, lot of things are there. Okay, you can remove the computer icon, you can remove the shutdown button, like that. So many options are there. Just for fun, I am showing this. Enable, apply. Okay, so I enable this remove recycler bin icon from the desktop. So done. So what we have to do? You have to do gp update /force update policy. Even if you don't do this one, also it will apply, but better update once. So under user configuration, you done means you required sign out and sign in. So you're configured for a user configuration, so it is applied for a user wise. Login. See, can you able to see a recycler bin icon?
No.
Can, right? So like that, you can able to do it. Okay. So again, gpedit.msc. Now I don't want. Now I want to revert it. Okay, I want my recycler bin back. Same thing goes to that place only. Okay, so search for your policy. This is my policy. Remove recycler bin from desktop. User configuration desktop. Remove recycler bin from desktop. So you have to go to disable the policy first. Apply and not configured. Apply. Okay. Now again, update the policy, gpupdate space /force, update the policy. So let it update. So you can able to sign out and sign in, it will work. So once it is updated, it close automatically. So then sign out. Now can you see recycler bin is there? Okay. This is local group policies. So what I have done, I will show you. I went to run. I put a gpedit.msc. Okay, I open it under user configuration. Administrative templates, desktop, remove recycle bin icon from desktop. Okay. So what I have done, I open that one. So open and enable. Okay. So enable, apply. After that one, so close the window. Again run gpupdate space /force. Sign out. Again sign in. Check the recycler bin icon on desktop. Okay, so this is what we done. Again, for a get back, what we done. So again, same step only. It will change. Same steps. Small change it is. In this one, first disable, apply, not configure, apply, OK. Remaining is same. Okay. So this is what we done in a local group policies. Okay.
Sir, if we do it from one user account, it will affect other user accounts.
Possible, but it is like I configured under user means it affects on my current user only. Local group policies also we can applied to other users. User configuration on a current user, it will affect. Otherwise, you can try same recycler bin icon. Okay, actually, I didn't specify which user, so it is mostly it is like a current user. Same policy, nothing difference. Enable, apply, OK, close, GP update. Very good. So when we will get to understand is one thing is you should get a doubts. Then only we can able to understand. Then we can able to verify. Compulsory sign out and sign in is required. We'll try on a second user. Not every policy will apply on every user. Okay, some policies on one single user, some policies on every user. Computer configuration for every user, and depends upon specific user also you can do it. Like app locker is there, specific user. It is applied on this user also. See, recycler win
Okay, sir.
icon is gone. Because I didn't specify which user. I signed out. It is giving very lazy. Guys, understand local group policies.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So because why I told local group policies, sometimes I will miss that one. Okay. So why? Because of to understand in the domain-wide group policies, local group policies are to for a domain servers understanding. If you understand local group policies, using that example, we can understand the domain-wide policies also, like Active Directory kind of stuff. Next topics. Okay. So, of course, there is already I told event management and all that is we can able to cover. That's it. Now just I'll continue because it's